Hey everyone, it's me Letitia and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a queen inspired makeup look. I was pretty much going off of Nicki Minaj's album cover for her Queen album, and I thought that her album cover was just really pretty. I love the colors and the hues, and I decided to do something similar with that look. It's a lot of red, some yellows, and if you look at her outfit, she has a hint of blue and greenish blues as well. And I also went on ahead and added some gold highlighter to the look too. But yeah, I won't say too much more. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. I wanted this look to be really flawless and full coverage, so I went on ahead and did my face off camera, and I actually mixed together the Maybelline Super Stay foundations in the shades, what are these, 356 Warm Coconut and 334 Warm Sun. As you can see, super full coverage. You cannot see not one spot on my face, and I set everything and put on my bronzer as well. But we're going to focus on the eyes and the lips and the highlighter for this. So I'm going to start off with a base to really make my eyeshadow stand out, and I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, of course, in the shade Tan 50, which is now the shade Dark 40. I really want this eyeshadow look to stand out, so I'm going to go ahead and try to see which brush should I use to blend this out with. This old concealer brush from e.l.f. to go ahead and blend. So I was trying to figure out what colors do I have to really match the album cover, and I forgot that I actually have this Alamar Cosmetics palette, and it literally has the colors, or 3 of them, that I'm going to use for this look. So I'm going to use this red shade here called Tropico. I'm going to go in with this kind of warm yellow shade called Cocoa Taxi, and I'm actually going to use the greenish teal kind of metallic shade called Celia. I was actually trying to find a matte yellow for this look, but I couldn't really find anything that I like, so I'm actually going to use Trophy Wife as well to get the look that I'm going for. Gonna go in the crease first with that Tropico shade, because the majority of that album is like a reddish orange, and I'm trying to get as close to that look as possible. So I'm just taking this fluffy blending brush here, and I'm going to dip that into Tropico and put this in my crease. I've seen a lot of album inspired like eyeshadow looks in the past on YouTube, and I thought about doing it for a while, but honestly there wasn't really an album cover that just really grabbed my attention, I guess. But then Nicki's album came out, and I just instantly fell in love with the colors and the hues, the reds, the yellows. Plus I love warm tones anyway, so I figured why not try to recreate that. What I'm gonna do now is take that shade Cocoa Taxi. It's not as bright as the yellow on the album, but it's as close as I'm going to get. And I'm actually going to take a flat brush and put that on the outer points of my lid, and hopefully it turns out right. I'm taking this flat brush and I'm just going to press that into Cocoa Taxi. Any kind of bright yellow or yellow shade you might have could possibly work. I'm looking down in this mirror too, so I apologize if I get an awkward angle. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it across the bottom of my lid altogether. So something funny, I was gonna get my NYX Jumbo pencil, my milk pencil, but people have been like really shading the milk pencil like it's so 2008, and I'm just like, I mean, it works. It's white, it's a bright base, it makes your colors pop. Like, I'm not trying to get clowned for using it though. I'm actually going to stop with this palette for right now, and I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter, and this is gonna be that super bright yellow that I was talking about. This crease brush here, and I'm gonna dip it into Trophy Wife and put this right in the center to kind of complement that yellow that's on the album cover. What I love about this is that you don't have to wet it necessarily to get that good pigment. It's just really pigmented on its own, and it's really pretty. So again, I'm going to take what's left and sweep it under my eye. I don't do too much with my under eyes, so this is pretty much the only thing I'm going to do. Notice on Nicki's outfit, like towards the bottom, she has like this greenish, bluish kind of teal skirt or like fabric on the bottom, and I wanted to use this shade here to mimic that and put it in the inner corners. And she also has like that the bluish beads as well. I'm going to go back in with my pencil brush. I cleaned it off, of course, and I'm going to dip into that Celia shade, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Oh, it's really pretty. I like how that turned out. So for my lashes, I'm going to put on some mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and I'm going to put on my $1 lashes from Top Lash, and I'm going to go ahead and do the lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and my lashes are on, and I also went on ahead and put mascara on my bottom lashes as well. I really wanted this look to be super dramatic, over the top, in your face, because I mean, when it comes to Nicki, it's safe to say she does not hold back. And I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter again and use that as my actual highlighter, because I really want this to be a nice golden look as well. And I'm just taking my highlighter brush, and I'm gonna lightly dip it into Trophy Wife and put that on my cheeks here. So looking at the album cover, and really just with Nicki in general, she always wears like a nude, neutral kind of lip, nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to stick with a neutral lip, and I'm going to take my NYX Earth Tone pencil and line my lips like I always do. And I'm going to apply my Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal, which is a really pretty neutral gloss. So this completes the final look. I hope you guys really like it. If you do, please feel free to give my video a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you'll know every time that I post a video. And all the information on this look and the link to the album cover, if you want to see the pictures, the colors, will be down below, as well as my information. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.